me already? Alright. Got to edit these videos. It says tan y is equal to 0.6494. And they want me to find the angle measured to the nearest degree. Nearest degree. So that means that I want my calculator to be in what? Degrees. So make sure our calculator's in degrees. How we make sure? We hit mode.
Right in degree.
And so we want to make sure that degree is highlighted, right? You had it, Ashanti? Yeah. All right, so they want me to find the measure of the angle, right? Mm-hmm. So we know that when we're doing the trig functions, we always take the sine, cosine, tan, cosecant, secant, cotan of an angle, right? Mm-hmm. So whatever I'm tanning on in this case would be my angle, right? So I want to get rid of tan, right? So how do I get rid of tan? We learned in last class here we got to do what?
Inverse.
The inverse tan. And it'll look like this on your calculator, tan with a -1, right? And it's written in yellow on your calculator, right above the tan button. See that? All right. So that's just saying that's what I do when I want to get rid of tan, the inverse. Because you know in algebra we always do the opposite, the inverse operation. Like the inverse of plus is what?
Minus.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. Minus, right? So just like the opposite of tan or the inverse of tan is the tan inverse, right? So I want a tan inverse each side in order to get rid of tan. Because whatever I do to one side, I got to do to the other side, right? So since tan inverse and tan are inverses of each other, what's going to happen to those? They cancel out. So I'm left with what? On this side, you know, it canceled and what was left? Y. And y equals the tan inverse of 0.6494. So I can just do that in the calculator. For somebody in the calculator. Come on, Ashanti. Come on, Darren, you put it in there. How do I pull up tan inverse? Second and then tan, right? And so I had it, right? And then I just type that number in. And then do close parentheses. And then hit him.
32.9.
32.9. Now they want me to get to the nearest degree. So what is this going to be? 33 degrees. Boom. There it is.